Hey, it's Aran here. In this tech tutorial of Systeme.io, I'm going to explain to you the My Blocks segment or feature in System and also how to use it intelligently. So essentially, My Blocks is when you're creating either sections, elements, or rows that are created by you for your own use based on your styling, your branding, and you want to be able to reuse it as your own created template or element so that you can save time when continuing to build additional pages on your website or your funnel. So I'm going to share my screen and show you an example. So this is an order page that I've created for my tech support membership. And I'm saying you're about to receive access to this, this, and this. And then I'm showing this example right here where I have this section of the pricing. Now this section of the pricing, I've recently updated my pricing and I want to use this same section in Systeme.io because I have a sales page for this exact funnel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hover over the question mark, this thing right here. I'm going to click on the save button and then I'm going to call this pricing tech support membership. And then it's really important that you label it section, because if you don't know that it's a section, then when you're going to move it over, it's going to be a little bit tricky. So make it so it's a section and then click on create. Now it's going to save. And what you're going to do is just wait for a moment while it's actually saving. I'm going to click on save this page. I'm going to go to the sales page itself. You see that this is my old pricing. And in this one, what I'm going to do is I can delete this now because I don't actually need it. And I'm going to click on Save Changes. I'm going to click on Blocks. You're going to see the My Blocks right here. And then right now, and then you're going to see it right here. Now, in case you can't see what you just saved, what I suggest is simply refresh your page and it will appear. In this case, it's already showing, which is great. I'm going to drag it in. And then you're going to release your mouse when you see this blue thing where you have it in between. Now, this is important because it's a section. And now it's going to be in the exact right spot, basically. Okay? Now, if you were to save something else, for example, if you were to save this section or this row, you're going to label it row. And it's really important you do so. If you're going to save this text, you're going to label it text element. So label it so you know when you're saving it, because otherwise when you look at the blocks right here, you're not going to be able to tell which is which, basically. So you'll see I label it section, section, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's my suggestion for you on how to really make the most out of it, and use it because you can then create elements that are designed to you, and then you'll be able to save them and reuse them on either the blog or your website pages or your course pages or your funnel pages. And it's just going to save you a tremendous amount of time. So that's about it. If you got value from this tutorial, please leave a comment with the word value. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and give me a like as well. I really appreciate it. It helps me grow this channel. And that's about it. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.